Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add someone in Google Chat. So to do so, first of all, open Google Chat. And now you can see this button over here on the lower corner. This one that has the addition sign to it, just tap on it. And now you can just write the name of the person you want to add. I've added him. If you haven't added someone, you can see this friends sign over here in the place of search sign, and after you press it, you can add them. So guys, that's how you add someone in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.